So here we have a question regarding ad scheduling on which time we should run ads on Google. There was a question, and I'm posting here that I have a question regarding ad scheduling. Are you should be able to run a search ad only on the weekend, say from Friday to Monday, when shoppers are strongest, or just Saturday through Sunday? So, what is actually the right time to run your ads on Google? So again, it's and how you can run it. Again, ideally, in case if you ask me, uh, up, according to many clients, in case if our conversion, if our goal is conversions or leads, I have seen that 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. or 8 a.m. to 7 or 8 p.m. is actually the best time for developed countries, and for countries like Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, I've seen that campaigns running at 10 a.m. or 11 a.m. till goes till 6 7 p.m. works well for weekdays. For branding campaigns, I do recommend running them on the night time. But again, there are some specific niches, or when it comes to like food delivery, takeaways, then it's a good idea to run ads like from 10 p.m. till 2 a.m. In Pakistan, India, Bangladesh. I had a client, because it's according to area, and because in US it was a client, but in that state people do not use to order food later at night, so it was not a good idea to run ads for those at that time. And for weekdays I add 2 hours. For weekdays I add 2 hours. Let's say I run, if I'm running at 8 a.m. In the weekdays. In weekends, I mean, I run from 10 a.m. till 6 a.m. But again, weekends are not good performers. Saturday, Sunday, in case if you are running e-commerce store, that is not a good time to run your ads on. Or But I have seen some conversions with clients who have big budgets with retargeting. I don't know why, but retargeting worked on Saturday, Sundays. I don't know why, but eventually it worked out on weekends. So it is a good idea to run, probably due to branding, or probably due to customers already know about this specific product, which is why remarketing worked well on weekends. So yeah, it was a good idea on this. But again, it varies, on niche to niche. Some people, uh, or either because on weekends people usually go for relaxation or visiting, but yeah, they do keep in mind on whatever they see. So as the branding, weekends do help, but only if you have big budgets, then it's a good idea to spend on weekends. But if you are a new advertiser or have limited budgets, I do not recommend spending on weekends, but rather go with the weekdays. Monday to Fridays should be an ideal performance for you. For some of our clients, Tuesday, I don't know why and how come Tuesday is performing very well. For some it's Thursday, I don't know what's the psyche behind. Yeah, but I have observed the season to season, month to month, like I have seen certain months performing very well, certain months performing not good. Again, it varies from niche to niche. In a banking sector, for instance, I had a client who was working with the saving accounts, and uh, January and February was a very good performer for those. Uh, I mean, for those campaigns, because probably it was a new year and people were looking for new year resolutions, and they thought that it's a time to spend save money, and then they saw the saving accounts ad, and they were more convinced on opening the saving account. So I felt like people most people open the saving accounts in either January or February, probably due to new year resolutions or goal, or because at the December they decided that they had spent so much money last year. They do not want to do the same mistakes which they did last year, and they want to be cautious this year, which is why maybe. But these are, in marketing, it's all about estimates and understanding. So it's always a good idea to keep on experimenting and testing and spend a certain amount on trying out new times and figure out. But yeah, I have suggested like weekdays perform well, and the morning times performs very good for majority of the campaigns. But again, I have seen, in certain scenarios where the campaigns are only for night hours, or whatever your goal is. It is also very important to understand when do you think your buying visitor will start search about you, or will look after your product or service you are selling. So I hope you like this video. In case if you have any questions, comments, and suggestions, you are more than welcome to write in the comments box, and make sure to subscribe to my channel I will be looking forward for your subscription. Thank you and bye bye.